Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Black of the Berry, where we discuss all things black, all things beauty. My name is Nikki. If this is your first time joining, I'd like to say welcome, and if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. I'd like for you to subscribe, like, share, tell somebody that knows somebody else about Black of the Berry, and don't forget to hit the bell, which is located at the bottom of this video. Turn it from white to gray so that way you're notified whenever I upload new content. So now, without further ado, let's get started. Today I would like to do almost like a get ready with me type of a video, but holiday glam, but it is beginner friendly. Anybody can do this look. If you are one that maybe stays home for the holidays but still likes to be cute because people are coming over, this look is for you. If you are someone who is gonna go out, maybe go to other family members' house, but you don't want to do too much, you don't want a full beat or a full glam, this is for you. If you would like to do a full glam, this is still for you. As you guys can see, eyebrows are already done. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. Today's look is basically dedicated to those of you who would like something still cute, still glam, still holiday related, and looks great but without all the effort. We want this look to look effortless. Today, instead of me using a full coverage kind of foundation, I would like to use a tinted moisturizer, and this is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer, and this is gonna basically give us the look of, yeah, it's my skin but better. I don't know where that went. I just spilled tinted moisturizer all over me, but whatever, the show must go on, right? And like I said, if you are someone who would like to do a full glam, you can absolutely turn this into a full coverage type of a foundation. You don't have to use tinted moisturizer if you don't want to. This is just something that I prefer. That's basically the tinted moisturizer, and as you can see, I look pretty dewy. So a lot of this moisture and dewiness is absolutely going to go away once I powder and kind of set everything. Once you have your foundation or your tinted moisturizer applied, you can go ahead and apply your concealer. So for concealer, I'm actually going to just use this Il Makiage Flawless Finish. I think it's F blank CK. I'm Flawless concealer, and that's pretty much what we're going to do for concealer. I'm going to give this a moment to dry down a little bit, and then I'm going to start to blend this out once it dries down a little bit. I'll actually okay, concealer is blended out. So now I am going to go ahead and set the concealer. To set my concealer, I am going to use the Fenty Pro Filter setting powder, or Pro Filter Instant Retouch setting powder, and this shade is Cashew. And for me, I like to set my concealer with a brush. I just think you get more of a flawless kind of a finish that way. So under eyes set, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of the face now, and I'm going to use my Sephora Micro Smooth and just set everywhere else that I did not conceal pretty much. For bronzing, I really like the Fenty bronzer. This is the Fenty Sun Stalker, and this is in the shade Mocha Mommy. Kind of bronze ourselves up. Face is pretty bronzed. I don't think I did too much. I definitely think the color has come back to my face. As you can see, I got a little bit closer, but I'm gonna get you in a little more closer here in a minute. I'm gonna prime my eyes. Instead of using my eye primer, I'm going to use a concealer, and then I'm gonna set that concealer. And this is just going to give us a nice blank kind of a canvas for our eye. I would like to, full disclosure, here's a disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist. This is just how I do my makeup. You do not have to do things the way that I am doing them. Just, you know, remember that makeup has no rules. You can do things how you prefer to do them, okay? But this is just how I choose to do my makeup. And if you are here and watching me today, then you are interested in how I do my makeup. So we're gonna go for nude on our eyes, more of a natural nude type of an eye today, but we're gonna end it with a nice cute bold lip. So I zoomed in so you guys could kind of see this a little bit better. Going to take a darker color, and then the eyeshadow palette, I forgot to tell you guys, but the eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is by Mented, which is a black owned brand. So this is Mented. It's their every night eyeshadow palette. So I can show you the colors. So these are the colors, and so I initially went in with this color. So this is what I went in with first, and then I'm going to use this to kind of deepen my crease area. So oh well, this is kind of a I don't think I'm gonna use this color. This is kind of a red color, and I'm glad you guys saw that because I didn't think it was gonna be this red. So we are gonna go in with a smidgen of the black. So this is called Brooklyn. So the first color that I went in with is called Harlem, and then I'm gonna go in with Brooklyn and just kind of deepen it up just a tad. And this is just giving me like a little bit more depth to my eye. In the crease area. I'm going to take more of a flat brush, and I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to go into this shade here, which is Los Angeles, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. So that is this eye, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and then I will pop back on. Okay guys, so I have both eyes are done. So what I'm gonna do now is put on, I want to tight line my eyes, which means I'm pretty much just gonna apply eyeliner right as closely to my top waterline as possible. I'm going to tight line the top. If you can, I'm not sure if you can see that. And then I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm also going to do a little bit of black in my waterline here, and then kind of smudge it out as well. So okay, so I'm going to do a little bit here in my waterline. And I'm not going to go all the way in, because if I line all the way in, it's going to make my tiny eyes look even tinier. So I'm only going to go about till right here. Smudge it out a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara. And for mascara, I am using, I'm actually going to use a new mascara. Well, it's new to me. This is by Tarte, and it's their Man Eater mascara. We're going to see how this looks. Lashes are complete, eyes are complete, so I am going to go ahead and do blush, and I'm gonna do my lip off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay. Okay, so I finished the lip for the most part. It's pretty matte. I'm still trying to decide on what kind of a gloss I want to use. So highlighter is applied. I applied a little bit of highlighter to my nose, a little bit to the bridge of my nose. I'm going to set my face. I want to put on a little bit of a gloss. I just think it looks a little bit better glossed versus matte. I'll be back for the final look. Yeah, so here we have the final look. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, super easy, beginner friendly kind of a look. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think it looks great. Definitely classic. I'm absolutely beaming. I'm not really feeling the red lipstick, but I did it because I promised you guys that I would finish this off with a bold red lip. So this is what we have. To be honest with you, I have the hardest time with red lipstick, or lipstick period. Like, doing my lips is really difficult for me, and I know lips should seem like something simple, but it's really hard for me to do lips and eyeshadow. So this is what I came up with for eyes today. Here's what I came up with for lips. You guys let me know what you like to do. Maybe you can give me some pointers and give me some tips. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the look, even though I struggle with my lips and a little bit on my eyes, but whatever, who cares? That's what we do here. Experiment, try to see what we can come up with, but all in all, it's all in fun. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys have a happy, safe holiday, and be kind to one another, of course. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, tell somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody else about Blacker the Berry. I gotta really hurry up. I'm really behind for something, so I gotta go. But don't forget to hit the bell at the bottom of this video and turn it from white to gray so that way you are notified when I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.